Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a shortcut on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Open the Shortcuts app. It is usually on the second home screen. If you can't find it, search for it in the app list or download it from the App Store. Tap Shortcuts at the bottom left. Then tap the plus icon in the top right to add a new shortcut. To create a shortcut that changes an app icon, tap Add Action. In the search bar, type Open App and select it. Tap on the blue app box and choose the app you want. Let us use the App Store for this example. Go to the top where it says Open App, tap to rename it, and call it App Store. Tap Done when finished. To add this shortcut to your home screen, tap the arrow beside the app name and choose Add to Home Screen. Tap the icon on the left to change it. You can take a photo, choose a photo, or choose a file. Return to Shortcuts. Tap the icon and select Choose Photo. Find the same image, tap Choose, and then tap Add in the top right. And that is everything you need to know about how to create a shortcut on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.